Are we heading towards a Cold War between China and US? Come, read with me. China vows to support Cuba against all forms of power politics and bullying. Now imagine if your friend is being constantly pressured by a stronger student in school and another powerful friend steps in saying, "Don't worry, I've got your back." That's somewhat what is happening between China, Cuba, and United States. Now, what is happening? Let's talk about the background. Recently, China said it would support Cuba against what it called power politics and bullying by the United States. Why now? Cuba is facing economic crisis, energy shortage and blackouts, US sanctions and restrictions. Now, China has promised support including food aid and stronger cooperation. Let us talk about the quick background between US and Cuba relations, why they are so bad. See, the story goes back to the Cold War. Number one, the Cuban Revolution, 1959. Fidel Castro came to power in Cuba and made it a communist country. The problem was the US strongly opposed communism and saw communist Cuba just 150 kilometers away from Florida as a security threat. Now, second is US economic blockade and embargo in trade restrictions. See, on Cuba in 1960s, think of it like we will stop buying from you and limit trade with you. The US said Cuba lacked democracy and freedoms. Cuba said the embargo damaged its economy and hurt ordinary people. Third is the Cuban Missile Crisis 1962. One of the most dangerous moments in the world history. Soviet Union placed nuclear missiles in Cuba. The US feared attack and the world came very close to nuclear war. After tense negotiations, USSR removed the missiles. US promised not to invade Cuba, and this made Cuba a symbol of Cold War rivalry. Now, what exactly is happening now? Today, Cuba still faces weak economy, fuel shortages, inflation, US sanctions. China is stepping in and saying we support Cuba's sovereignty and oppose US pressure. China wants to increase influence in regions traditionally dominated by US, including Latin America. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this topic. First is the geopolitical dimension. China is expanding influence in Latin America. Cuba is strategically close to US, reflects growing US-China rivalry. Second dimension is the economic dimension. Cuba needs food, fuel, investment, trade support. China may provide aid, trade partnerships, infrastructure investment, but dependence on one major power can create risk. Third is the political and ideological dimension. China criticizes US bullying and sanctions. The US argues sanctions push for democracy and accountability. Cuba and China argue sanctions violate sovereignty and hurt citizens. Then lastly, there's an energy dimension and strategic and security dimension. Let's talk about the India's angle. India maintains friendly relations with Cuba, United States and China. India generally supports strategic autonomy, sovereignty of nations, balanced diplomacy. India also cooperates with Cuba in areas like healthcare and diplomacy. Now, this becomes highly important for GS Paper 2, International Relations, GS Paper 1, World History. The keywords are Cuban Revolution, US embargo on Cuba, Cuban Missile Crisis, power politics, strategic competition and sovereignty versus sanctions. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.